How to connect the TriggerGrip PCB Cleaning Tool to MicroCare Aerosols. Step 1. Wear safety glasses. Step 2. Remove the tab from the top of the aerosol can. Step 3. Ensure the TriggerGrip adapter toggle switch is in the off position. Step 4. Hold the aerosol can vertically on a flat surface. Step 5. Attach the front mounting pins of the adapter to the plastic shroud, pushing down to secure with a click sound. Step 6. Confirm a snug fit by gently pulling up on the adapter. Check that the toggle switch is still in the off position. Step 7. Insert the silver TriggerGrip hose into the valve opening, pushing it tight, while keeping your thumb under the can trigger. Step 8. Attach the longer section of the TriggerGrip clip to the adapter by inserting the pin on the right side, sliding down until engaged. Then repeat on the left side. Step 9. Switch the toggle switch to on for dispensing fluid. Step 10. Switch the toggle switch to off when not in use. How to safely disconnect the TriggerGrip PCB Cleaning Tool from MicroCare Aerosols. Step 1. Wear safety glasses. Step 2. Ensure the TriggerGrip adapter toggle switch is in the off position. Step 3. Purge any remaining fluid by pressing the trigger and emptying the fluid onto a MicroCare lint-free wipe. Then discard the wipe. Step 4. Squeeze both sides of the TriggerGrip clip to disengage from the mounting holes, sliding the clip away. Step 5. Pull the TriggerGrip hose from the valve opening. Step 6. Gently remove the TriggerGrip adapter from the aerosol can shroud. For more information on the TriggerGrip PCB Cleaning Tool, visit microcare.com.